Hey Malkias, it's your girl D-Shell, aka Shelly, and I'm here with a cut crease style spring look. I didn't do a pink or purple because I'm like, hey, the leaves are growing back. Why not do a green spring look? So I did this all with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. And I wanted to update you and let you know that I didn't show this in the video in a tutorial, but I want you to use that darker green. Use that darker green glitter. Sorry, I didn't show that. I showed the other one, but I just want you to make sure your eyes match. But yeah, I decided to do that with the leaves coming back, and I wore a darker shirt, a darker green, because it feels like it's also still fall. So I'm confused, but hey, it say it's spring, so we're just gonna roll with it. All right. But hey, I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Oh, and don't forget to comment. You better be subscribing because I got more stuff coming and I want you to see. Subscribe. Hey Malkias, let's get started. Okay, so I put on the Fenty concealer just to conceal everything. I don't use the orange corrector anymore, and I put that Fenty concealer to conceal everything. Got my powder on, I started my lid. Now let's get started.
Just show me and I'll try it. I feel your pulse coming through. Yeah, yeah. Down, boy, take me there. Oh, yeah. Oh, just like a carousel. Just tell me how it goes. Oh, yeah. I'll be your wishing list. Suck it, you got that new thing that you know I like. Just show me and I'll try it. I feel your pulse coming through. Been fighting this temptation, but it's time I let it go. Baby, how do we work this situation if we're so out of control? Yeah, do it all night, baby, until the sun is coming up. To the right, we could do it all night. From the left to the right, we could do it all night. From the left to the right, we could do it all night. From the left to the right, we could do it all night. Take me up.
Okay, so I learned this trick from Patricia's makeup artist to add concealer to lighten your lips without changing it a weird nude pink color. So I wanted that brown to just be lightly, so I added the LA Girls Fawn concealer. Then I added the LA Colors lip gloss from Dollar General. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to subscribe, to like, to share, to comment. I look forward to hearing from you. And hey, I want to see how it came out. So make sure you connect with me on all social medias and check all information below. Stay blessed, stay royal. Bye. Hey, yeah.